Let's go to the amenity area of Claremont. So this is the clubhouse of Claremont. Yan. If you've noticed, very spacious din naman siya. So you could use this kapag may mga events such as birthdays, kapag may even mga wedding or simple celebrations na pwede nyong gamitin to kapag meron kayong mga events or gatherings. So on my right side, this is the swimming pool. Other side is the basketball court. So meron din siyang basketball court. And of course, meron din siyang playground. So complete amenities tayo dito. Punta naman tayo sa Phase 5 now, Claremont. So kung mapapansin nyo talaga, ang dami talagang mga puno dito na presko din naman yung hangin. Ayan. And yun nga na maganda din naman yung community dito, and you could build your own design when it comes to the building structure or dun sa house na gusto mo or preferred mong design, because it offers that only. So masusunod talaga yung gusto mo. However, meron lang kang design or theme na sinusunod, which is modern Asian dito sa Claremont. So this is the Phase 1 and this is the Phase 2 already. You could hear the chirping birds na nandito, no? Ayan. So right beside the Phase 2 is the Phase 5. So this is the Phase 5, no? Meron siyang kumbaga division. Ayan. We're going to tour you around. As of the moment, video recording, wala pang nakatayong mga bahay dito, no? But, yun, sooner or later, meron ng magtatayo din yan ng bahay dito. Let's go dito tayo. Baba tayo. Baba tayo. Game. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Phase 5. And if you've noticed, may mga signages na kung anong block and lot sila. Ayan. So, this is the block 14. And the typical cut size of mga or area ng mga lupa dito starts from 110 square meter and above. Ayan. And trivia. Okay, trivia. Sa mga lot owners, and this is what you call the muhon. Ayan. This is what you call the muhon. Meron siyang PS. So, this is the pinaka-markings kung saan yung property line mo. And again, this is what you call the muhon in Filipino. So, this is the corner lot na, ayan, you have two frontage dito. So, pwede ka dito or pwede din dito. And then, typical lot owners are eyeing for morning sun. Of course, pag morning sun, sumisikat yung araw on the east side. So, we will going to discuss further once you are interested kung ano ba yung mga morning sun na available for sale dito. So, for Claremont Phase 5, it has also its own amenity area. So, dito din magkakaroon ng clubhouse, basketball court, and even playground. So as you can see behind me, nandyan yung view of the Mount Arayat. So kapag magtatayo kayo ng bahay dito, you could feel the vibe na very nature yung atmosphere or yung ambience dito. So nandito naman tayo sa Phase 2, and just to give you an idea na yung some of the lot owners dito nagtayo na din ng kanilang own design, which is a modern Asian design theme din. Here's about the prices and computation of the lots available here. So just to give you a ballpark, this is just a ballpark estimate, nasa 2M-ish na sila. But if you have a further and detailed discussion, we conduct free Zoom presentation for us to share to you the right information and a specific block and lot, because every lot comes with a different prices. So depende sa cut size. So that's why feel free to send us a message, and we're more than happy to guide and help you.